Okay. First of all, let me welcome you to the State House. Indeed, it's an honor to welcome you here. I know from the vast distance that you have traveled, you may have woken up very early this morning, excited about the trip, and now you're here at the State House. Again, I welcome you, Bulabinaka and Bulare. I understand that this trip is an educational one for you to come and learn the mechanics and the systems of governance and government in Fiji. And I hope this journey will also be an eye-opener for you as you progress into your studies and going for as you climb up the educational ladder to the higher levels, to Form 6, Form 7. I'm still used to Form 6, Form 7, because when I went to school, we had Form 5, Form 6, but now you're going by year. So you have to understand, but I'm a bit old school. For you to reach the year 13 and then go to tertiary education and all that. You know, the journey to life starts with dream. To dream. Someone said, to dream, it's the coming attraction of what's to come. I dreamt the dream. I dreamt the dream, like you. I didn't go to a school here in Suva. I went to a rural school where I was taught, where I learned the challenges that you face every day. That you walk to school, that you work in the fields, I see from some of the students here that the students do in the farms. You have to wake up early, go and take the cattle out there. The chores that you do from your parents, that is part of your training and upbringing to make you someone who is a strong-willed, who is confident to go through any challenges in life. That is always the message that I say. It also teaches you to be humble, to be acceptable of all the challenges in life. If life throws challenges at you, with what you go through in this period of your life, you'll be a person that can live anywhere. You can take any challenges. Whatever responsibility they throw with you, you can handle it with both hands. Why? Because of what you go through at this age. At this age, you are at the determining age. This is the dangerous age which you are in. Maybe you are now in your 15, 16, 17, right? This is from Midago, Mr. That's from 6. From 6, eh? Right. This is the most difficult ages in life. This is the time, they say this is adolescent years. This is the time you try to be an adult while still being a child. You want to go and do things that the adults do. You'll be amongst the kids who smoke. You'll be amongst those, some of your older friends drinking kava, drinking grog. You'll try to have a taste, and you'll be at that age where the interest starts to open up. And I always tell people that come here, this is the most difficult time in your life. And if they were advised to share with you, you have to be confident in what you do. Mistakes happen. Sometimes it's just the spur of the decision that you make. It affects your whole life. That 70, 80 years of life, it's gone thrown down into the drain just from one single bad decision that you made. And I'm here to tell you, you have to start thinking. You have to seriously consider what life is. Life, they say, is a mystery to be lived. It's not a problem. Last few months, last a few months ago, there was one student somewhere that committed suicide, just like you kids. Why they committed suicide, we don't know. Because of maybe could have been the peer pressure, or could have been something that she wanted was not given to her, something that she wanted but was denied, could have been that, or maybe she made a silly mistake, that she was embarrassed. You know? Just a silly mistake. Life is gone. A precious life is gone. And it is in our belief that anybody who commits suicide is not going to go to heaven. Believe me. Because God is the only one who gives life and takes life, not you. So at this age, as you come to Suva to come and see the mechanics of government, you know, try to see what you can see and take it back with you. Because I know what you see here today is going to determine your future. I'm looking at doctors, I'm looking at school teachers, I'm looking at military officers. You know. Who knows, I might be looking at the next president. Never know. You never know. Oh, I see rugby players, I see soccer players here. That's the dream. So, I always say, dream a dream and live the dream. You know? That's the message that I want to share with you today. My job here, as the head of state, my job is to ensure that the legislature and the judiciary, there are three arms of government, the judiciary and the legislature, which is the parliament, prime minister and them, and the chief justice in game. My job is to see that they do things according to the 2013 Constitution. That's my job. I am like the watchdog to ensure that everything is done legally, is done in the right way, so that the effects of that changes or whatever decision that the government makes is fair and just, not only to the government, but most importantly, to the people of Fiji who are citizens of. That's just my main job here. And I'm also, one of the jobs is to meet you beautiful students coming here and meet people that come here to come and share this vast property. As the head of state, we have a lot of people who want to come here. But then again, previously it was not allowed, I don't know why, but during this time I've opened the doors for you to come, to inspire you to come. I've opened the door on one purpose, to inspire students to excel in life. And I hope you'll be going to the parliament and to the other offices in Suva. That's where. Yeah? So students, again, I welcome you, and I hope and pray that your future is secured, and also you will take this speech and go and ponder on it as you go back in the bus or as you go and sit with friends and all that. Remember that wrong decision denies you your future. Right decision makes you reach your destination. With those few words, again, thank you teachers for getting them to come over. I know you've done the fundraising and all that. It's special. And I hope that the tour to the State House with team here, that you'll go back with good memories of the State House. And I wish you well in the few weeks to come for exams. Make sure you go in, do your exams. Be positive. Do not be afraid. Just be yourselves. Nawala.